FTPA Performance, working on the 86 dually today, and we're going to be changing out the carrier bearing on the drive shaft. It's been a little while since I've done one of these. I don't remember exactly how to do it, but we're going to start by taking this apart here. 4 14mm bolts. Alright, we got the 4 bolts out, and then with a little bit of hammering on here, we got this to separate. And you can see we got a big nut in there. Let's see if we can find a socket for that. Okay, 24mm nut there, and then used a 1/2" Milwaukee, and it came off pretty easy. And then just a ball peen hammer, and tapped it off that way. Hopefully that's all that's holding that carrier bearing on there. So get that off the rest of the way. Move stuff out of the way here. Let's see, can we wiggle it off? Okay, we're gonna have to find a little bit more creative way to get that off there. Alright, I found my puller. Can only really get it on the outside, so we'll see if this takes it off or if it just pulls off the outside, or what exactly is going to happen here. Oh, looks like it came all the way off. This could be success. Looks like there's a washer on the front there. Save that. Yeah, we got it all the way off. Nice. So there's some grease in there on one side, not on the other. No, wait, no, it is on both sides. This one doesn't have the grease in there. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. It shouldn't matter which way you put it on. Same both ways. Except for that maybe, so yeah, see the little wingtips there? Them go towards the front of the vehicle. Well, actually that would be the back of the vehicle. See if I can get it on there. Now the nut should pull it the rest of the way in for us. I think. Where did the nut go? You're going to want to take a punch or a chisel or a screwdriver and ping this flange into the groove right there. That essentially makes it a lock nut, so it can't accidentally come off on you. Okay, we got to bolt this back together, and we'll be ready to install it. When you're reinstalling it, you get your yoke in, and then there's these nice 2 little tabs hanging out right here that you can just set it on. So there's no bolt in there, it's just sitting on those 2 tabs. Now we can just put our bolt in from the top and leave it nice and loose. So one right there. Just get that started. And then before you tighten that, you want to put this end on here. That way it gives you enough room to get that in there. You can still move it back and forth a little bit. So you got that little bit of room there to play with. Spin your wheel to get that lined up. Once you have that tightened, then you tighten your carrier bearing, and that's going to hold everything in place. So we'll do that and we are done basically. Alright guys, that's everything you need to know to change your carrier bearing on an 86 Toyota Dually. Probably like every single other Toyota pickup truck also. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.